At ngayon po, tawagin natin ang Campus Executive Officer Solano Campus o VPA upang magbigay ng pangwakas na pananalita si Mrs. Bernadette C. Blanche. Bigyan po natin siya ng masigabong palakpakan.
Hello po! Alam ko, gutom na po tayong lahat. Tama po? Okay. Kasi nakikita ko, nagkakainan na po. So, good noon to everyone. Of course, to our visionary President, Dr. Micah Ryan Biramel, to the members of the Board of Trustees who are with us today, Ma'am Mirna Viviernes, mukhang nasa alay kapwa pa po. Dr. Junifen F. Gawan, andun, may meeting. And of course, to our beloved alumni who are with us today. So, as we bring this momentous celebration to a close, allow me to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for making this launching of Aldersgate College Diamond Jubilee celebration a resounding success. Under the theme, pagpupugay sa nakaraan, pagbibigay inspirasyon sa hinaharap. We have not only honored our rich history, but also reignited the spirit of hope and determination for the journey ahead. To our alumni, your unwavering support and active participation have turned this event into heartfelt tribute to the values, memories, and hardships forged over the years. Your stories and accomplishments stand as a testament to the enduring legacy of our institution, Aldersgate College Incorporated. To the organizers, volunteers, and everyone who worked tirelessly behind these scenes, your dedication and passion have created an unforgettable experience that we will treasure forever. So as we move forward, let us carry the lessons of the past as a guiding light for the future. May we continue to inspire and uplift one another, as well as the generations who will follow in our footsteps. Once again, thank you for being a part of this celebration. Together, let us build an even brighter tomorrow for Aldersgate College and the community it serves. Merry Christmas! Mabuhay tayong lahat!
Muli,
Good
bigyan po
noon
natin
po.
siya ng masigabong palakpakan. Ngayon po, magkakaroon po muna tayo ng lunch break hanggang 1:00 ng hapon. Siguraduhin po kayo po ay mabubusog dahil marami pa po tayong aabangan sa ikatlong programa. Magkita-kita po tayo mamaya.
Reminder lang po sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-register, mag-register na po kayo dahil meron po tayong mga paraffle later sa ating part 3 ng ating programa. Maraming salamat po. Yung mga hindi po nakaregister, of course, hindi mabubunot ang inyong mga pangalan. Kaya dapat po siguraduhin ninyong nakaregister po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Happy lunch!